Good afternoon, students. In the last video, we discussed about the first chapter, that is living things and non-living things, and we discussed about the definition of living things and non-living things, and also some characteristics of the living things and non-living things. Today, we will learn more characteristics about them. So, first one is living things reproduce. That means, what is the meaning of reproduce? Living things produce more living things of their own kind, and this process is called the reproduction. For example, plants reproduce the seeds that grow into a tree. And in the same way, dogs, cows, cats, also the human beings give birth to babies and that grow into an adult. In the same way, birds lay eggs that hatch into baby, but non-living things do not reproduce. The next characteristic is living things have a definite lifespan. What is lifespan? All living things are born as babies, they grow up, they grow old, and finally they die. This time from birth till death, this is called the lifespan. See, this is the lifespan of a tree, and a tree reproduces from a seed. This is the seed, and then the seed is growing into a plant, and then finally it becomes a big tree, and this process is continuous. So this is the lifespan of a tree. Some living things have short lifespan, like for a few hours. For example, a mayfly can live for a few hours, and while others have a longer lifespan, like 80 or 90 years. Next we will learn about the difference between animals and plants. Though animals and plants both are living things, but there are some differences between animals and plants. First difference is animals can move. Animals can move from one place to another in search of food or maybe for shelter. Okay, but plants do not move, but it stays in one place and make their own food. Okay. Number 2, that is animal can breathe through their nose or gills or skin. Okay, but plants breathe through their tiny holes that is present in their leaves, that is called stomata. Okay. Number 3, that is animals. Different animals have different sense organs, but plants do not have any sense organs. Okay. Next one is animal reproduce by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. But plants reproduce by their seeds or stems or their roots. Okay. So these are the difference of animals and the plants. Now remember one thing, the animals and the plants both depend on each other. How do they depend on each other? Plants provide the food and the shelter to the animals, and animals helps the plants to spread the food far and wide. In this way, both animals and plants are working together to make sure that the life on earth is continuous. So this is it in this chapter, and the exercises of this chapter is already given through WhatsApp. In the next video, we will discuss about a new chapter. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.